So here's how to add or install IPTV on your Roku TV. So if you're a Roku user and looking to unlock a world of live TV channels, movies, and entertainment, look no further than IPTV or Internet Protocol Television. So with IPTV, you can access an endless array of channels, all delivered straight to your Roku device. So first, the compatibility requirements for Roku and IPTV is Roku devices work well with many IPTV services, making them a favorite among streamers. To watch IPTV on your Roku, you need a fast internet connection and a compatible Roku devices. Some IPTV services might ask you to add apps or channels to your Roku to access their content. So here's the IPTV system requirements. You need to have stable, high-speed internet connection, IPTV service, subscription, or access, and etc. And here are some guides to install or add IPTV using IPTV Smarters or enabling developer mode on Roku and installing IPTV Smarters package. And here's to set up your screen mirroring for IPTV on your Roku. And that's how you install IPTV on your Roku TV.